Have you ever looked up at the sky on a bright sunny day and wondered about that big bright ball of light? That's the sun. The sun is a star. It's a giant ball of hot gas that lives in space. The sun is primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, and it generates energy through nuclear fusion. Even though it looks small from Earth, it's really big. In fact, you could fit about 1.3 million Earths inside the sun. The sun is incredibly hot. Its core can reach temperatures of around 15 million degrees Celsius. It's so hot that it glows. The surface temperature of the sun is about 5,500 degrees Celsius. Imagine the biggest bonfire you've ever seen, and then multiply that heat by 1,000,000. That's how hot the sun is. The energy produced by the sun is essential for life on Earth. The sun is incredibly important to us. It drives our weather, ocean currents, and even the seasons. It gives us light and warmth. Plants use sunlight to make food through a process called photosynthesis. Without the sun, Earth would be a very cold and dark place. Life as we know it would not be possible. But even though it looks friendly, we can't get too close to the sun. It's way too hot. Spacecraft and satellites have to be specially designed to withstand the intense heat and radiation. Despite its dangers, the sun is also a source of renewable energy. Solar panels capture sunlight and convert it into electricity, providing a clean and sustainable energy source. So next time you enjoy a sunny day, remember that our very own star, the sun, is at the heart of it all, making life on Earth possible and enjoyable. Just how big is the sun? Imagine you have a tiny pea. That's how big Earth is compared to the sun. Now imagine a giant beach ball. That's how big the sun is. The sun's surface is like a boiling pot of soup. It has giant storms and explosions of hot gas. These explosions are called solar flares. They look like fireworks. Deep inside the sun is its core. It's even hotter than the surface. Imagine a giant furnace that's constantly burning. That's what the sun's core is like. The sun is so big and powerful that it holds our entire solar system together. It's like the king of the solar system. The sun's light and warmth are essential for all living things on Earth. Plants use sunlight to make their own food in a process called photosynthesis. It's like magic. They take in sunlight, water, and air, and turn it into energy to grow. Animals need sunlight too. It helps them stay warm and healthy. Some animals, like reptiles, need to bask in the sun to regulate their body temperature. Without sunlight, they wouldn't be able to survive. Humans also need sunlight. It helps our bodies produce vitamin D, which is important for strong bones and a healthy immune system. Sunlight also makes us feel happy. Section 4. Day and night. Have you ever wondered why we have day and night? It's all thanks to the sun and Earth's rotation. Earth spins like a top, and it takes about 24 hours to make one complete rotation. As Earth spins, different parts of it face the sun. The side of Earth facing the sun experiences daytime. It's bright and sunny because we can see the sun's light. The side of Earth facing away from the sun experiences nighttime. It's dark because the sun's light can't reach us. We can see the stars and the moon instead. Section 5. The Sun's family. The sun isn't alone in space. It resides in a vast galaxy known as the Milky Way, surrounded by countless stars and celestial bodies. It has a family of planets that orbit around it. These planets, each unique in their own way, form what we call the solar system. Our solar system consists of the sun and everything that revolves around it. This includes not just the planets, but also moons, comets, asteroids, and even tiny particles of dust. The sun's gravity is what keeps all the planets in orbit. This immense gravitational force acts like an invisible hand, guiding the planets along their paths. Imagine a ball on a string that you swing around your head. The string keeps the ball from flying away. The string keeps the ball from flying away, just like the sun's gravity keeps the planets in orbit. Without this gravitational pull, the planets would drift off into space. Each planet has its own unique characteristics. For instance, Mercury is the closest to the sun and has extreme temperatures, while Venus, shrouded in thick clouds, has a runaway greenhouse effect. Some planets are rocky, like Earth, Mars, and Mercury. These terrestrial planets have solid surfaces and are composed mainly of rock and metal, while others are made mostly of gas. The gas giants, such as Jupiter and Saturn, are massive planets with thick atmospheres composed primarily of hydrogen and helium. Some planets are hot, like Venus, which has surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead, while others are very cold, like Neptune, which is far from the sun and has frigid temperatures. But they all have one thing in common: they all orbit around the sun. This intricate dance of celestial bodies, governed by the sun's gravity, creates the dynamic and ever-changing system we call home. Section 6. Stay safe in the sun. The sun is amazing, but it's important to stay safe when you're out in the sunshine. Whether you're at the beach, in the park, or just enjoying a sunny day, Taking precautions can help you avoid the harmful effects of the sun's rays. The sun's rays can be harmful to our skin and eyes if we're not careful. Ultraviolet, UV radiation from the sun can cause sunburn, premature aging, and even increase the risk of skin cancer. It's crucial to protect yourself. When you're going outside, always wear sunscreen with a high SPF. Sunscreen acts as a barrier, reflecting or absorbing the UV rays before they can damage your skin. Make sure to apply it generously on all exposed skin, and don't forget to reapply every 2 hours, or more often if you're swimming or sweating. This will help protect your skin from getting sunburned. Sunburns can be painful and damaging, leading to peeling, redness, and long-term skin issues. Prevention is always better than cure. It's also a good idea to wear a hat and sunglasses to protect your face and eyes. A wide-brimmed hat can provide shade for your face, ears, and neck, while sunglasses with UV protection can shield your eyes from harmful rays, reducing the risk of cataracts and other eye conditions. If you're going to be out in the sun for a long time, try to find some shade. Taking breaks in the shade can give your skin a rest from constant exposure and help keep you cool. Trees, umbrellas, and buildings can all provide shade from the sun's rays. Creating a shaded area can make your outdoor experience more comfortable and safer. Remember, the sun is our friend, but it's important to be respectful of its power. Enjoying the sun responsibly means you can have fun without the worry of harmful effects. By following these simple safety tips, you can enjoy the sun's warmth and light while staying safe and healthy. So next time you head out, don't forget your sunscreen, hat, and sunglasses. Stay safe and have fun in the sun.